Join us for Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany. You'll make tons of new friends and have an exclusive look into the dye house to see how sulky thread goes from the twisting facility to the dye vats. We'll learn how the color recipes are created and all about the process of making sure the colors remain consistent between batches. We'll see sulky thread come to life and become what we see in the stores, quilt shops, and at sulky.com. We'll make a fun project that you can take home to remember your travels. We'll visit Salzburg, where most of The Sound of Music was filmed. We'll tour a breathtaking castle. We'll have a full-day celebration at Oktoberfest and more. Register today to reserve your spot.